How to fix the Alt+Tab shortcut is not working in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the first thing you can do is restart your Explorer by right-clicking on the taskbar here and then open up the Task Manager. And from here you can search for the Explorer process. You can also go to Details, and then you should find explorer.exe, which is this one. And you'll need to right click on this and end task, and then you want to click on File and then Run New Task and type explorer.exe and then press OK again. Or you can go to the Processes tab and then find the Windows Explorer, which is this one right here. Right click on it and then click on Restart, and this should restart your desktop Explorer. Your screen should go black for a few seconds when you do that, when the Explorer is being restarted. And that should usually fix the Alt+Tab issue. But if you still have the issue, here's how to fix it. An alternative way is to right click on the Start button, open up the settings, and from here you want to go to the Gaming tab or category and make sure that game mode is disabled. So you want to go to the game mode from the left side and uncheck game mode. Now when you use the Alt+Tab on your PC, it should work. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.